Hi, my name is Ashley Zhao. I just graduated from UC Davis with a double major in cinema and digital media and design. But where does that take me? See, I'm starting this new chapter in my life like no other. I'm fresh out of college, actively looking for work and a way to get my foot in the door as a female Asian American creator, all while in the midst of a global pandemic. You don't see people like me all too often. I have this goal, and this goal is to inspire others to cherish their intuition and cultivate their creativity. Every day, I'm motivated to impact the lives of others through my work. As somebody who has drifted away from this model minority path, I know exactly what it feels like to go this creative route versus doing something safe and comfortable like becoming a doctor or becoming a lawyer. And so I want to share my experiences and document my creative process and really just be transparent about being and becoming a digital creator. I also have this goal where one day I'm in a crowd of male filmmakers, designers, and other creators, but I'm not questioned on my abilities or my talents or what I create based off of the way that I look. I want people to know that I work hard, not because I'm Asian and not because I'm a woman, but because I work hard to achieve my goals. And eventually, I want people to know me through my work, not just through my appearance. Each day is going to be a new challenge, but it's one that I'm excited to take on. There's always going to be something new for me to learn. And not everything is going to be perfect, but the biggest room in the world is room for improvement, and a failure is only a failure if we fail to learn from it. So if you've been sticking with me since day one, thank you so much, and if you're new, welcome. I hope that what I make inspires you and inspires people to come.